This I don't knit anymore because my hands don't like it, and I really think this is too thin. You can knit a sock. I think I'm gonna give this to my sister, she'll love it, or my daughter maybe. Oh, I think I bought this for cards. Over here, this is a card I made one day, and over here I have beads, but sometimes I go around it with this. Oh, I'm gonna put this in the attic because I really do love the colors. That's why I bought it, I think. I have a drawer filled with stuff like this. If it fits, it's gonna go in there. If it doesn't, I'm gonna let it go. So this needs to go to the attic. Just like the rulers. This is a greeting card that I'm gonna keep. Okay. So these are for stickers. I already did this. Almost done. Well, almost. Oh, these are old. Ugh. Oh, really old and sticky. Dutch stamps. And also Dutch coins, I think. I can't even see what it is. These were, I need to take off my glasses, 1 cent. It's before the euros. These are all 1 cent. And these are all 1 cent. And this is, what's 1/10 of a guilder. So 10 cents. And 5 cents and 2.5 cents. Oh my gosh. So we don't have cents anymore, and not even 2 cents. It starts with 5. We just round everything because it's just too much of a bother. So this is really old. I like it, and I think this is a whole starting in 1960 or so, and then every year. So I need to sort through this. This is gonna go upstairs. 1/4 of a guilder. It's 25 cents. I really like this. This is before the euros. So attic. This was attic. I have a little, of course, a little drawer, but I do. What's this? It's a binder. Okay. It's a binder with lenticular cards, because I do collect lenticular cards with my lenticular collection. So these are all religion ones, and a robot, of course. And ships. Now, not everything is really that you see a different picture. Sometimes it's just depth, but it is lenticular. Those two, I can't remember their names. Christmas, really awesome Christmas cards. Okay, I don't know how and why, but I have it. This is gonna go in to the attic. So I have a whole crate full of stuff that needs to go to the attic, but I need to put it in the right spot immediately. Otherwise, this is gonna be in my attic. So I do have a place for this. I do have a drawer for all of this. So I do have a spot for it, but wait. That's gonna be tomorrow. So I did do the stickers. So what's all of this? Oh, this is stickers of Cinderella. I'm gonna put this with my Cinderella collection. It's not really a collection, but there are just some items I can't let go of, so it's a little collection. I love this. My camera decided to tell me that I'm talking way too much, so I need to do it more quickly. It stopped recording. Battery stopped recording. I do have a spot for this in my Alice room, actually. So this is going to go to my Alice room. So it's going to be another pile. Okay, Alice. Oh my gosh. More stickers from Wings. I'm going to donate it with the other stickers. Then I have 2 of these. Now these are old. These are old sentiment. I want to keep this just because I like it. I do have sticker books, E.T. And this won't take up that much room, so I'm going to put them with my sticker books. I need to sort through them as well, but that's for in the future. So this can go to the attic as well. So it's going to go on the attic pile. Okay, let's do this real quickly. Oh, really cute Tinkerbell. I don't know where I got it, collect them all, but I'm gonna sell this one because I'm gonna let go of this, of my Tinkerbell. I do keep some Tinkerbell items like I showed you. Those are just too cute, I can't let go of. But oh well. Harry at Hogwarts. So it is a fold back the covers to reveal the magic pop-up and hang it on your ceiling. Okay. So you need to do it like this. Oh, you can hang it like this. And then you have Harry Potter. That's really awesome. Those legs. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. So this I am going to sell because there are a lot of Harry Potter fans who would love this. Then I used to collect badges, buttons. So I bought this book because it's about buttons and there are lots of buttons in here. I decided to stop collecting buttons. And then I started again and I stopped again and I started. But I'm going to decide to really stop collecting this. So this can go. I'm going to try to sell it. And if it doesn't sell, I'm going to donate it. Buttons. Really fun. And yes, I also collected pocket puzzles. Schuifpuzzles. So you need to take this out and then put this in the right spot, but this is already done, so this is simple. My daughter is really good at this. I'm really bad at this. I can't even fold it right. Oh, here we go. So I'm gonna let go of this collection. I'm gonna sell this one because it is Tinkerbell. People will love it. I hope, because I don't really sell that much in the Netherlands. I've got a 3D book, because a Papa book. I collected Papa books. Yes, I've showed you in a video, I think. So this is your ABC. It is really awesome. And you've got all kinds of things. It's really awesome. It was quite expensive, but when I collected this, I thought I really want this. I need this. So I bought it and now I'm gonna sell it again. Okay, small stuff. Let's do this real quickly. I can't even explain, I'm just gonna throw it out. This is sticker stuff. These are the stickers that I collect in those books you can collect them in. So this is gonna go over there and I'll sort that out later. I've got these ones. I just have, this is really awesome for, I'm sitting like this all the time, why? This is really awesome for art journaling. So I'm going to keep this one out for art journaling. And these are gonna go, and there's another one upstairs. Now they're gonna go in my drawer over here. Sometimes they're very handy. I'm gonna keep these in a drawer over there. And this is gonna go to my craft corner. Okay, this is also stickers. I used to collect these. I have the very first gift cards that we had in the Netherlands from the HEMA, a Dutch store. I have the very first. I have the very first from V&D. I have the very first from all kinds of stores. And then just every store got one. And then it was just too overwhelming. Now you can get thousands and thousands of them. So I don't collect them anymore. But I do have them somewhere. This I don't know where to keep until I find the other ones. I am going to let go of it. But I do want to figure out what I have. This is... ooh. Well, this is now, this is a special edition for people who get a shot. It's not a vaccine of COVID, this is a very old one. But it does have band-aids on it, so I'm gonna put it with my band-aid collection. I think that's just fun. It's weird, it has nothing to do with it because it's a comic, but I like it. And there are more comics. Now I need to, not these ones, oh, there's another one. I need to look through these because I did color for the Donald Duck. We call it Donald Duck, you call it Mickey Mouse in the US, I'm not sure. So I need to figure out why I kept these. Oh, this one I probably kept because it's euros. You got stickers for your guilders when we went from guilders to... I'm sitting like this again, weird. From guilders to euros, and you could put a sticker on it. And then a guilder was 45 euro cents. So these I need to look through why I kept these. This is probably for that, but I also did color in some of these stories, just a few, and I don't want to throw them out, so I'm going to sort through that and then let go of the rest. This is just cute. I mean, I can't let go of this. It's gonna go in my Cinderella room, and this one I'm probably gonna let go of. It's been eaten by silverfish. My gosh, they love to read. So this I'm gonna put over here because I need to sort through it. More of these cocktail things, and this, you know what, it's just gonna go. This is a stamp, so it's gonna go with my art supplies. And then these, oh, more art supplies. This is one of the books that I wrote myself. I have a few of these little booklets making greeting cards. I wrote a few of them, and this is one of them, and I think I'm going to use this as an art journal for myself, so it's gonna go with my craft supplies. I'll figure it out. So I only have this little thing, And I think in here are, oh, this is what I was looking for, Star Trek, and then Star Trek, this is gonna go on top. Oh, and then you have this. Awesome. I do love stuff like this. It's gonna go in here. It doesn't fit anymore. So I need to let go of another one. These are, oh, just little stuff that I'm just gonna throw out, guys. I'm not even gonna show you, just little stuff. But I also have these. I showed you in the beginning, and I told them they were called Beipackzettel. That's German for, I have no idea what we call these in Dutch or in English. It's a little paper, on the paper you can see what was in the Kindersurprise eggs, oh my gosh. So we don't really have a name for that, I think. But in German it's Beipackzettel. I have loads of them, because look at, oh, this, except for this one. All these books, these are for stamps. Oops, let me just open it over here. Are filled with these Beipackzettels. This is all from Kindersurprise eggs. Oh my gosh. And I kept them all because you bought the little toys that were in the egg, and you also you bought them separately because there are loads and loads of collectors. There were loads and loads of collectors, and you had to buy these separate often. So I've got all these books filled. Oh my gosh, this is way too heavy. Almost filled. Nope, not filled at all. Come on. Here we go. With Beipackzettels from the little toys in the chocolate eggs. So I'm going to take them all out, and then I'm gonna sell all of these books because I don't need this anymore. So then I will have something like this. And I do still have some of those surprise little toys. I have a whole box full, and it would be fun if I am going to sell them to someone if they have this with it. Because sometimes this is even more expensive than the little toy. Yeah, we're weird. So this is gonna go with this, so I need to figure that out later on. And this is just gonna go. I'm just gonna throw this out. And the last item that I have is another of his books. But this one, oh, also has Beipackzettels, yeah? It's the wrong one. This one, I think, really does have post stamps. It's Disney. And I absolutely love that. So I think I'm just gonna keep these just because it's fun. I used to collect these. Ooh, Tinkerbell. And I think there might be an Alice in here. Although I do have a complete Alice set, so it doesn't matter. There's a Bambi. Oh, it's just also cute. So this I just want to keep. And I'm gonna give it a spot in the attic. Oh, so. So this was a very, very long video, I think, but I cleared out 2 boxes. And as you can see, lots and lots of piles. But I'm going to put this tomorrow, I think, in the right spot. I've got a drawer for this. I've got a drawer for stickers. This is gonna go in my, with the rest of my greeting cards. This is all for my craft corner, and well, everything is gonna get a spot. And then over here I have some stuff that needs to go in the right spot, and something to sell, and some things to just donate or throw out. So this is donate to the thrift store, this is donate to the children's charity, and this is now empty. Except for those boxes. That's all that's left. Guys, can you remember that I had this wall filled with boxes? Now I have a wall filled with a really awesome, fun color, cute cabinet. And this thing, my husband said, oh, I forgot we had that because there were boxes in front and on top of it. Now I'm not completely finished. Because over here I have a bit more boxes. 2 of them I have no idea what's in here. I think one with Hello Kitty and one with more craft supplies. So this I want to figure out, but I'm gonna do that off camera. It's gonna be a bit boring. I have this beautiful lamp. It's a frog, but I don't have the rest that needs to go on here. So we need to figure out what to do with it. So this is just, I need to sit down for this one day and just do this. And then the only thing that I have left is, well, a desk. And in here are some Hello Kitty plush that are very expensive and nobody wants to buy. And that's also Hello Kitty, but that's stuff that I might want to keep. So I have still 5 boxes Hello Kitty to do. But that's just Hello Kitty. The rest is done. My gosh, look, you see floor. It's done. That one I might donate. I've told you so often, buy that one, but nobody wants to buy it. It's awesome. You can sit on it. Look at it. It has a chair. Oh, and a really sturdy bag, and I have never used it because when I bought this, when I wanted to use it the first time, I actually couldn't walk that well anymore, and I had to go sit in a wheelchair when we went shopping. So yeah, no more of this. I don't think I can ever use this again because I don't think I will ever walk that much again. So I really want to get rid of it, but it's just so brand new, and I know someone is gonna love it, and I just can't give it to charity, but I think I'm gonna do that. So this was a really long video, I know, but I really wanted to sort through those 2 boxes, and I did. Now all I have left is a box with Pez. I really don't know what to do with it. So maybe next declutter video, which might take a while. I want to take a break for a little while. Do those boxes that I just showed you off camera. But then maybe I need to decide, what do I do with my Pez? Do I keep them? Do I let go of it? I've been trying to decide that for I think 25 or 30 years. So there were all these in there. And some more items that I just need to figure out. But then, guys, I can start on my craft corner. I'm gonna take everything out and decide if I want to keep it. So, and guys, thank you so much for watching all these videos and all your lovely comments. You really kept me going, because I've been doing this now for almost 3 years, I think. I've had boxes in my kitchen for 3 years. So yeah, I'm really happy that it's almost gone. Like I showed you, just a few more boxes, and I think I'm gonna do most of it off camera. Hello Kitty probably on camera. You'll find out. So thank you for still watching. If you're still here, thank you so much. Thumbs up for you and for me if you like the video. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit the notification bell, because subscribing is apparently not enough for YouTube to find my videos. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked it. I love my collections, guys. I really do. Do you like collecting? I would love to know if you understand collecting. I would love to know. So that's it for today. All that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland. Greetings from Holland.